In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put pictures in TikTok comments. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app. Once you find a video you would like to comment on with your picture, first off you need to tap right here at that comments button to go to comment section, and here we cannot just directly post our picture here in as a comment. We can just post a picture as a reply to someone else's comment. That's how it works. So here, once you find a comment, we can tap at reply under it, and now we can use this camera button to record our own video as a reply to that comment. And also here we can tap at upload to upload some picture like that. Just select a picture and then hit add next. That's where we can edit it. We can first off move this comment kind of bubble. We can change its size by pinching. Just use 2 fingers to resize it. After that we can move it around. We can add there some text, maybe some stickers, maybe some filters as well. And then to continue, hit next, and then to share it, hit add post. Actually, I can't post comments because TikTok is blocked in my country, but you in the next step will see a picture from your photo gallery posted as a reply to that particular comment. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button. Комментариях. I cannot